Guys, I did something crazy to my wall. Let me take you through the process.
I thought of doing something to this sliver of wall that leads into our balcony. I designed and printed out a motif on a piece of transparency sheet. With the help of a backlight, I could then project the motif on the transparency onto the wall. Unfortunately, all this had to be done at night. Because my wall was painted a very dark color, in order for the projection to be visible, it required a very dark surrounding. After getting the projection in the right place, I traced it out using a white pastel pencil. Here are some parts of the painting process I managed to capture on video.
My goodness, it's finally done. Took me about 50 hours to finish this motif. But I think it's because I was using the leftover wall paint. It was a little bit harder to paint because I had to do a few layers. I'm sure if I used the painter's acrylic paint, it would have been easier. But I am so happy with the results. "50 hours of work." Do you know what's the most difficult part? This is the most difficult part because my intercom. I had to paint over my intercom, and it's really, really difficult, I found. To get it just right. It's not even very right, but it's alright. Crazy. I love it. It's been a long time since I made art like this. It's been a long time since I made art